In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot Free CRM. Want to organize your contacts and manage customer relationships without paying for a CRM? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to get started. First, log in to your HubSpot account and open the dashboard. Go to Contacts and click Create Contact to add your customers or leads. Enter their details and save the contact. Next, use the Deals section to create and track sales opportunities. You can move each deal through your sales pipeline as it progresses. You can also create tasks to remind yourself about follow-ups, calls, or meetings. If you need to keep track of customer communication, use the Activities section to log emails, notes, and calls. Finally, visit the Reports section to monitor your contacts, deals, and overall sales activity. That's how you can use HubSpot Free CRM. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.